Hey everyone! Welcome back to English Practice Every Day. Today, we're going to practice English the way native speakers really learn, by listening, repeating, and speaking along. You'll hear a short story called The Missed Train. Your job is simple. Shadow me. Repeat everything you hear just like an echo. Before we start, here's a quick tip. Shadowing means speaking with me, not after me. Try to match my intonation, rhythm, and emotion as closely as possible. Don't worry if you can't repeat every single word. Just stay in sync with my voice and focus on the flow. Ready? Let's begin the story. Sarah was running late. She grabbed her coffee, her bag, and rushed out the door. But halfway to the station, she stopped. "Oh no," she said. "I forgot my phone." She turned around and ran home. Her heart was pounding and her coffee had spilled all over her hand. When she finally reached the platform, the train was gone. Sarah sighed. She looked at the empty tracks and laughed. "It's fine," she whispered. "At least I got my steps in today." Great job! Now, here's a challenge for you this week. Record your own version of the missed train. You can change the details. Maybe you missed the bus or you forgot your wallet. Use the same rhythm and natural storytelling style. If you want extra practice, try to add emotions. Sound surprised, frustrated, or amused. Use gestures to match your story. Focus on sounding natural, not perfect. Remember, fluency grows from rhythm, not from rules. If you enjoyed this shadowing practice, hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell, so you can practice English every day with me through real stories and real English. See you in the next video and keep speaking every day.